Hello YouTube, this is Salam. In the previous video I show you how I started this fire. I'm going to cook these two steaks. I seasoned them with olive oil and some steak seasoning. I also prepared some vegetable. I'm going to put them here, and when the vegetable cook for about 15 minutes, then I'll put the steaks on. Let me show you. I have some pepper, some tomato, mushrooms, and onion. Once these cook for about 15 minutes, then we come back and we'll cook the steak. I made this grill in 2012 out of some scrap metal, 2x2 angle iron, expanded metal, and 55-gallon steel drum. I had to replace the drum about 4 years ago because this stay out in the element, rain and fire and all that will cause it to rust very quick. However, it's very easy. You could find these barrels for 10 bucks. I used door hinges over there, and I welded some angle iron and piece of expand metal over here to use it to grill steaks and whatever. And the handle, as you see, it's very easy. 1/2 inch flat stock, piece of pipe, and another pipe, so it won't be as hot if I touch it right here. I need to replace this drum. If you guys interested, please let me know in the comment section. I will replace this drum and I show you how to do it. It's easy to make and very cheap, and it's very good to grill. You can't beat it. It won't cost you but about $40 to $50. It's been about 15 minutes. These vegetables, they whole. I just cover them with little bit olive oil and some steak seasoning. We have some other stuff we're going to cook. It's been about 5 minutes. If you're looking, you're not cooking. So make sure to keep it close. Smell real good. And it look good to eat already. Another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. Guys, this smells real good. I wish I could box the smell and send it to all of y'all. How big this steaks, you ask? 10.5 inches by 8 inches by about 2 inches. This is oak wood. I will give it another 5 minutes and then it will be done. It's falling apart. Or let me take a video of it for you. I just washed this vegetable and put some olive oil and steak seasoning. Everything is ready to eat. And the steak is done. I wish you are with me so you could eat this. It's very tender and tasty great. Cheers. God bless each and every one of y'all. Please stay tuned for more video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.